Hello guys, welcome to Singh Unboxing. In this video we will be talking about JBL Endurance Run. Let's see how these fare in the regular usage. Subscribe to Singh Unboxing for all our upcoming videos. JBL Endurance Run is a sweat-proof earphone with great bass and overall sound signature. These come with a price tag of 1200 Indian rupees or merely $20, making them a quite affordable option. These earphones ship with 3 pairs of clear silicone tips, which are separate from the large twist lock pieces that are also removable. These twist lock pieces are provided by JBL to make a secure fit in your ears. These earpieces can be stored by snapping the backs of earpieces together magnetically. I'm not sure how this is useful as these are wired earbuds, but this functionality exists. There is an inline remote control located on the right ear's cable. You can also wear these earphones over the ear style, for which you have to wear them on opposite ears. This remote is a single button and you can play or pause music, answer or end calls, or skip tracks forward or backward with multiple taps on the same button. Holding this button down will summon your phone's voice assistant. So really the only function missing is volume control. But that can be an annoying limitation for some. Volume control comes in handy especially when you are exercising and want to quickly adjust the volume. These earphones feel quite premium in hand, and in my frank opinion, these are really pocket-friendly earphones to make you wonder if it is actually possible to make such amazing earphones at such a price tag. These earphones deliver far better audio with more bass depth and clarity at this price point. On top of that, there's a secure fit and sweat-proof design, making them ideal for exercise as long as you don't mind the wires. Please subscribe for more videos and I will see you next time. Bye bye.